Hello, welcome back again. So, in today's class, we're going to be learning how to convert this basic trouser block into a more fitted, straight trouser pant. So, this is my front pattern. I've gone ahead to trace it out. Then this is the back. I've also gone ahead to increase the length of the trouser block to the desired length. So that's the length 44 inches. Now, this pattern has extra 0.5 cm, extra 1 cm around the hip measurement, and by extension, it also has around the crotch line because of the way the curve was placed when trying to connect the nail to the crotch line. So that has added a bit of ease to it. So because we're making a straight fitted trouser, I'm going to be taking out those excesses and also take out the excesses around the hip, the crotch, and the knee line, and also around the hemline. So what I'm going to do now is to take the front pattern and start with that reduction process that I need to carry out. So in order to start, I will start with the hip measurement for this reduction process. So for my hip, the measurement is 104 divided into 4 will give me 26 cm. So I'll go ahead and mark the 26 cm. What I'm doing basically is taking out the 1 cm that was added here. That's what I'm doing. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to get my round crotch. For my round crotch is 25.5 inches. So converting that to cm will give me the measurement required to take out. So for my round crotch measurement in cm is giving me 65, and half of 65 is 32.5 cm. So I'll come here and mark that. So what is being removed here is 1 cm also. 1 cm on the hip line, same measurement. So I do this because I'm making a fitted pattern. But if there is no need for a fitted pattern, there is no need to take out this ease. So that being said, I'll go to the nail and take out the measurement. For my knee measurement, I have 17.5, and half of that, 17.5 inches. Converting that to cm will give me 45 cm, and half of 45 cm is 22.5 cm. Then dividing 22.5 cm into 2 will give me 11.2. It's supposed to be 11.225. So, but since I can get it here, I'll just measure 11.2 here. Then on this side, I'll measure 11.2 also. Then the next measurement will be the hem line. So on the hemline, I have 11 cm. So I'll just take out half cm from the side inseam, which is the side. Then I'll do the same thing here. I already have this taken out because of the measurements here. So at the end of the day, you'll be left with 10.5 cm at the hem. So I'll go ahead to connect the hem to the nail. Connect the side to the nail also. So for this new line, I'll be using the red marker for this, and I'll go ahead to connect the lines together. And I'll connect this one also. To the nail. So for this nail to the crotch line, I'll place this curve. You have to be very careful the amount you're taking out of this place. So I'll just place a curve and try to connect slightly. Because the new measurements will guide you on how to connect. So this will be my new line. Then on this hip side, I'll take this curve also, then I'll connect to the hip. And I'll place it this way. Connect to the hip. So you want to take this curve and place it this way also, so that you can connect to the waistline, and you have to be very careful the amount that is being taken out also. So the shaping of the front is ready. Now the red line serves as our new trouser, new pattern for the front. So we'll go ahead to trace it out when we are done with the back. For the back, I'll go ahead and do the same thing. So on the hip line, I will measure 1 cm from the side seam. I'll just mark from this point, I'll measure 1 cm. On the hip line, I'll do the same thing, 1 cm. I'll mark. Then on the knee line, I'll take the measurement of the front, which is 11.2 cm here. From the center line here, I'll mark 11.2 cm. Then I'll add extra 1 cm to it. Then I'll do the same thing to the side, 11.2 cm. Then I'll mark 1 cm. On the hemline, I have 11.5 cm, so I'll take out 0.5 cm, so leave 11 cm. Then I'll do the same thing to the side, 7.5. Then I'll take out 0.5 cm also. That's 0.5 cm. And I'll go ahead to connect this to the hemline. With my pencil first before the marker pen. So I'll go ahead and use the marker pen to connect this from the hemline to the knee line. I'll go ahead to connect the nail to this point. So you want to be careful with the way you connect it, because we already have that side shaped. Just connect it to this point. Then on the hip line, I'll do the same thing. On the nail, I'll connect to the hip line. And I'll take this part. So you want to be very careful so that it doesn't eat so much into your waist measurement. The guideline, the measurements will serve as a guideline for you to be able to mark the accurate measurement. So I'll go ahead and just place this curve this way so that it doesn't eat much into my waistline, because we're not shaping the waistline. Now the back pattern is ready. I'm going to trace it out for the next phase of the alteration or manipulation of the trouser pattern. See you in the next class. So I'm gonna head to trace out the straight trouser pattern. This is the front, this is the back of it. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the band, then get the pocket and the zipper fly. So I'll start with the front, then also add the seam allowance when I'm done. So I'll start with the front of the pattern. In addition to this video, I would like to inform you guys that our online trouser and jumpsuit class will be coming up very soon. If it's something that you're interested in, kindly click in the link in the comment section to join the waiting list. And we'll be using this basic block to derive these various stylings that is being displayed in this video and much more. Thank you.